Today I'm in front of the Western Lake restaurant. They're famous for their dim sum dishes. They're also an award-winning restaurant. So we're going to try their dim sum today. And we're also going to try some of their other dishes.
This is the prawn chow mein. So this is really delicious. Have the big giant prawns. So I'll be making this recipe myself. I see these giant prawns here. This is a special prawn chow mein. So I'll be making this recipe. But in the meantime, I'm going to enjoy this. Big juicy prawn. Good. Ooh, look at this chow mein. Look at this chow mein. Really crispy. Lots of flavor in the sauce.
Some of our favorite dim sum dishes include the steamed custard bun. Other favorites include the prawn pork siu mai. Here we have the crispy skin tofu roll, the shrimp hargao dumpling, and one of our favorites, the prawn dumpling with scallop and fish roll. These are the juicy xiulong bao. And finally for dessert, we have the green tea and coconut jello. Now it's time to make my version of prawn chow mein using the Chinese vegetable called gailan. For this recipe, we're using 1 pound or 454 grams of fresh egg noodles. Put the noodles into boiling water. For these noodles, you only need to boil them for 1 to 2 minutes. And then rinse the noodles in cold water. Preheat a pan at medium to medium-high heat. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of cooking oil, such as peanut oil. Cook the noodles to the amount of crispiness that you like. And add more oil if you want more crispy noodles. For this recipe, we're using a Chinese vegetable called gailan. Put the gailan into boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes, or longer if you like. To shine up your vegetables, just put 1 to 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, such as peanut oil. Now we're ready to stir fry the prawns. Preheat your wok at medium to medium-high heat. Then add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, such as peanut oil. Then you add 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger and 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Now turn the heat to the high setting. We're using 1 pound or 454 grams of tiger prawns for this recipe. So give the prawns a quick stir fry. Add half a teaspoon of salt. I'm using sea salt here. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Add a dash of Shaoxing cooking wine for extra flavor. To make the sauce, add 3/4 to 1 cup of water or chicken broth. I like to add my favorite sauce, so put 2 to 3 tablespoons of Chinese oyster sauce. To thicken the sauce, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in the 1/3 cup of water. Add as much of the cornstarch solution until you reach the thickness of the sauce that you desire. Add some sliced carrots for color if you like. There you have it, my prawn special chow mein. You get twice the prawns, twice the chow mein, and half the price of a restaurant prawn chow mein. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like and subscribe. Any comments are always welcome. Take care and stay safe.